Hello children. Today we are going to study 8th standard second poem The Little Busy Bee. Through this poem, the poet Isaac Watts wants to give you a good message that we too must be busy and always do useful work. Children, we should always learn a lesson from each and every creature of this world. It may be small or big. Here the poet tries to tell us that we can learn lesson from little busy bee too. Bee means ಜೇನುಹುಳ. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ ತಿಂದಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪವನ್ನು ಈ ಜೇನುಹುಳುಗಳೇ ತಯಾರಿಸ್ತವೆ. Before starting the poem, let us know little bit about the poet Isaac Watts. Isaac Watts was born on July 17th, 1674 and died on November 25th, 1748. He had mastered Latin, Greek, Hebrew and French. The first hymn book composed by him for children was Hore Lyrica. His popular hymns are O God, our help in ages past, the Psalms of David and Jesus shall reign. Children, look at the first stanza. How doth the little busy bee improve each shining hour and gather honey all the day from every opening flower. Children, look at the glossary words used in this stanza. Doth is the old form of thus. So it becomes how does the little busy bee. Improve means make good use of. Shining means bright. In this stanza, the poet tells us that how it is possible that a very little bee is busy whole day and it works even harder as the day goes on. She collects honey from all the opening flower. She goes from one flower to another to collect honey. Children, look at the second stanza. How skillfully she builds herself, how neatly she spreads her wax, and labors hard to store it well. With the sweet food she makes. Children, look at the glossary words. Skillful means clever. Cell means a small compartment in the hive. Hive andre ಜೇನುಗೂಡು. ಜೇನುಗೂಡಿನ ಒಂದು ಕೋಶ ಎಂದು ಅರ್ಥ. Wax andre ಮೇಣ. In this stanza, the poet tells us that the female honey skillfully builds the cell inside the honeycomb. Honeycomb andre ಜೇನುಗೂಡು. She neatly spreads the wax, makes honey from the nectar and works hard to store it well. Children, here sweet food refers to honey, that is ಜೇನುತುಪ್ಪ. Children, look at the third stanza. In work of labor or of skill, I would be busy too, for Satan finds some mischief still for idle hands to do. Children, look at the glossary words. Satan means evil spirit or king of devils. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈತಾನ. ಮಿಸ್ಚೀಫ್ ಇಂಜುರಿ ಆರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿಡಿಗೇಡಿತನ. ಐಡಲ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್, ಜಡ. In this stanza, the poet wants us to be busy like a bee in work of labor and skill. We have to work hard, otherwise Satan ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈತಾನ will mislead us. He makes us to do some mischief. Children, look at the last stanza. In books or work or healthful play, let my first years be passed. that I may give for every day some good account at last. Look at the glossary words. First years refers to early years or boyhood days. Give account means say what you have done. At last means at the end of life. In the last stanza, the poet tells us that he wants to spend his boyhood days by reading good books and working on healthy activities every day. Spending the time in fruitful way will help the poet to make a good account of himself. And he tells us to do the same and to be a good human being by making ourselves busy. Children, I think you enjoyed the poem. This poem is there for memorization. Thank you, children, for watching this video.